Welcome back. Today we're going to explore how to block space members on Gmail using your PC. This new update makes it easy to manage your spaces. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to gmail.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your inbox. Next, look for the grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo at the top right corner. Click on it and then select Chat from the drop-down menu. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Click on Spaces to view all the spaces you're part of. Now, find and enter the space where you want to block a member. Once you're in, click on the space name at the top to open more options, and then select Manage Members. In the Manage Members section, you'll see a list of all the members in that space. Find the member you want to block and look for the 3 vertical dots next to their name. Click on those dots. Finally, select Block from the options that appear. Confirm your choice, and that member will be blocked from the space. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked a member from your space on Gmail. This feature is great for keeping your conversations focused and comfortable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.